ईरान के नायब वज़ीर ख़ारजा ने ट्रंप पर तंज करते हुए कहा कि ट्रंप ईरान में क़यादत में तब्दीली का कह रहे हैं, जबकि वो खुद अपने मुल्क में न्यूयॉर्क का मेयर नहीं लगा सकते। सईद कातिबज़ादा के बयान पर हॉल में कहकहे लग गए। वो नई दिल्ली में मशरिक़ वस्ता के मौजू पर गुफ्तगू कर रहे थे।
President Trump is asking for change in the leadership of Iran, and he says that I have to have voice on that, while he cannot appoint even the mayor of New York. Can you imagine this colonial approach, that he would like to see democracy at home, but he would like to topple down a democratically elected president of Iran and assassinating other countries. So this is the path that they are going, and this is the heroic, resistance that we are doing. And the other path is inclusion. Maybe